right, Franklin, I'm so excited. We are driving up. So our project on Hancock has been long overdue, 6 months in the making now, trying to get permits and the historic district to buy into what we're wanting to do with this house. We just tore down a mother-in-law quarters today, guys. And we missed it. They tore it down so fast, I couldn't get here in time. But I'm excited. Our crew is here. It looks like a hurricane.
Wow.
Just freaking knocked down the house.
Jeez.
On purpose.
All right, let's check this out.
All right, let's do it.
Let me get my coffee. Good Lord. There it is, right over there. Oh, yeah, that looks horrible. So that's the house right over there. Hancock. Oh, Bridgette's still in. She's taking her time. There it is, right over there. That is Hancock. What's going on, man?
East Hancock, right?
Yeah, I was like, don't say nothing. We took out this kitchen right over here. That is the actual. So just FYI, Bridget, do you have the right construction shoes?
No, I am completely not dressed for this occasion. You sent me pictures of the building being down, and I was like, oh crap, let's go. Hi. This is Lynette, turnkey. This is her second project with us. Hello. She doesn't know what she's getting herself into, but I just
I know
love
she asked
being
for
a
it.
woman boss, because you know I'm a woman boss, and we have a couple woman bosses. Actually, our general contractor on this project is a female.
I know. And who gave birth to all the contractors are females. I know, it's amazing.
Every man in this world.
Yeah, I know. It's so amazing.
And we like tearing things down, obviously.
I could tell. It's
wow,
got.
you guys did this fast. I didn't even get to watch it. Did you videotape it?
I did.
Oh,
Oh yes. You got to send that over.
I did video.
Were you scared?
Wow.
I was a little nervous at first because it was bending this way.
Yeah.
But then the woman came out. She said, if you need to push it, go in my yard.
Nice.
So he came and pushed it this way. She get nervous?
Wow.
A little bit at first. But they knew what they were doing. Be careful, baby.
Look at this.
They knew what they were doing. It came right down where we wanted it to.
Nice.
Wow. Yep.
So this is the real work, huh? This is the tearing it down was easy. Cleaning it up is the
Yeah, no, it'll take about
Yeah, that's everything.
But we have to get the dumpster
empty
unloaded.
out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's almost full now.
Okay.
So it's gonna go back quick.
That's,
All right, so here is the entire thing. So again, this is the demo of this entire property, or this is the back unit. Remember I showed you guys yesterday the back. So this is what it looks like. This is the entire demo. So let's actually get on here. Let's see. So there's nails everywhere inside here. All right, so now right over here. So this is actually where the roof was. So we've got everything over here. So everything is good to go. Totally messed up. Yeah, this is looking good. So that property is actually going to be extended over. We're going to make it that a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This was a disaster. It was already leaning really bad. That's why we had to get rid of everything. So this is what it looks like when you're on top of a roof of a demoed property. That actually used to be a room. If anybody wants that Central AC, you can have it. If you guys want the Central AC, you can have it. It's right here. If you want the window unit, it's right there. And good morning. No problem. All right, so we've got a whole bunch of stuff that we're getting done over here. Too bad the historical doors right there we couldn't save, but it is what it is. Beautiful doors as well. So anything, whenever you're demoing a property, here's a couple things to think about. Number one, you got to pull permits. That's kind of the first thing. Number two is you got to make sure that all the caps are already situated. Your gas lines, water lines, electricity, everything's already cut off. So that's kind of the second thing. They can have it right there. They got to be super careful though. Bridge, can we give them that window unit or is it bad? Let me ask her if it's any good. I don't even know. Bridge, is the window unit any good or is it broke?
okay, bye.
That one right there. Right there. Right there in front of you.
Oh. You want it?
I gave it to her.
Just be super careful.
Okay.
Disclaimer, she gets hurt. That's on her. All right, so here's another thing as well. So you got to cap everything, electric, water, gas lines. Then you got to make sure that your dumpster is already out. Then you have to make sure that you're scheduling everything. The other thing is you got to make sure that the other properties, if you have other properties, that the house doesn't get destroyed leaning over. Meaning it could go the opposite direction. It could have hit that house. So all that, plus you got to make sure that you're wetting the entire property once it's going down as well. Why are you wetting it? Just because if something sparks up, it can light a fire. And so that's why those kind of things that you want to definitely keep out for. The other thing as well, when you're dealing with this, is you want to tell the neighbors. So make sure that you tell the neighbors as well. Hey, what's going on? What does it look like? And everything else, and then just pretty much just go from there. So if you actually are attempting to demo the property, those are just the things that you got to really think about. So anyway, talk to you guys later. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. We'll go from there. So hopefully you got something out of this. This is demoing the property at Hancock.